I'm ready to go to the gym because we gotta work out. Don't be lazy. What's up, guys? So I convinced Loris for us to go to Galleon Beach. Galleon Beach is a beach on the French side where mostly family used to go because the beach is so calm and people would bring their kids there so their kids can swim, and then you don't have the big waves to worry so much. And also you would take your small pets because it's calm. It's a nice calm beach. It's located on the French side. I haven't been there in a while. I know since Irma took away all the little beach bars that were there. I don't know if they reopened one. It's actually right next to Orient Beach and the nude beach as well. So I'm just gonna take you guys to Galleon to have a chill and relaxing day with us. I'm pretty tired from the gym because I did a really good workout, a lot of cardio today. So let's go to the beach and relax and enjoy. With a beach so calm, it is no doubt that this is a natural swimming pool. And this beach, as far as I know, and for the many years that I've been living here, it's always this calm, and it's always families. They used to have some bars over there, but since Irma, we have no more bars. And check out this cute chair that I find. I definitely want a picture there.
You wanna know?
Feel like I'm living in a dream when you get so close to me. You're the antidote I need to feel like I'm in paradise.
So what I noticed while I was walking in the water, you know, there's a lot of sea moss in between, so I was trying to walk through the clear side, and also the sand felt so different. Like there was parts of the sand that felt really muddy, and then there were parts of the sand that felt normal, like when you normally go to the beach. So it was a weird feet experience, but it was nice. If you do plan to come to Galleon Beach, I do recommend you bringing an umbrella because no one here rents umbrella. And most important, I recommend you to wear sunblock, put on a hat, and just enjoy your time. It's very quiet, even if there's families in the corners. You can always find a nice spot where you can sit down and enjoy. We're basically here on our towels. I'm happy I brought a hat, but this is not the hat that protects my face the most. But it's okay, I kind of wanted a little tan. Maybe I'm gonna get a little too much tan, but that's okay, right? Mr. Lori's decided he wants to come out and explore. Where are you going? Huh? Where are you taking me? Are you planning to rape me in the bushes? He's taking me in the bushes, guys. Where is he taking me? We took the drive through the Dutch side, through French Quarter, Dutch Quarter side, coming back through town, and the water in Town Beach looks fantastic. Like the view is so pretty. So we stop at this little viewpoint so we can show you how beautiful the day is. It's such a pretty day. Check this out. We stopped at the boat bar to catch the sunset. It is so beautiful. We're gonna show you the sunset right now. Isn't it beautiful? I mean, look at our skin. So imagine what the sunset looks like. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. I am actually enjoying YouTube more than TikTok, Facebook, and Instagram. So check me out here and see you next time. Love you.